Imagine you are in a coffee shop and I am trying to explain a complex process like integrating enterprise applications with SSO on Microsoft Azure, using our favorite topic, coffee, as an analogy. Okay, let me start from the top. Picture your enterprise like a busy cafe with various coffee machines for different purposes, one for lattes, another specializes in cappuccinos, and one more serves only espressos. Now, envision enterprise apps as customers coming in and needing to order not just a single type of coffee but could want a latte, a cappuccino, or an espresso plus a croissant. This is where everything becomes less pleasant, right? Imagine your customers having to remember a different password for each coffee machine. That's where SSO steps in to make this easier. With SSO, a customer with an Azure Active Directory account can walk in, go to the barista, tell them what they want, and they'll know exactly what to do. This eliminates the hassle of remembering different usernames and passwords and improves overall customer experience. But setting up such an efficient checkout system is like doing some well-planned brews beforehand. It requires strategy and design. Just like how we carefully select our coffee beans for the perfect blend, we also need to choose the right tools in Azure for integrating apps. Tools like Graph API, Microsoft Identity Platform, and protocols like SAML, OAuth, and OpenID Connect act like different grinding techniques. Each has their strengths and suitable applications, and Azure provides these in one place, making integration simpler yet flexible. Now, imagine a customer asks for a special coffee with a specific grind size, milk type, and so on. This is just like enterprise apps with particular needs and configurations. With the right Azure SSO strategy, configuring and managing these apps becomes like art, where your Azure AD setup smoothly handles requests, like how we handle busy cafe rush times. In an SSO setup within Azure, we start with evaluating the user journey across multiple apps. Similar to how we would map the flow in a cafe from the entrance to the exit, understanding each step of the user experience will allow us to create a seamless integration flow, where one credential is all that's needed. Then we delve into setting up Azure AD SSO with our various apps, ensuring secure identity management. This is like setting up a streamlined ordering and payment process in cafes, which is crucial during the dinner rush. Imagine if that streamlined process fails, especially during a busy hour. That's when advanced troubleshooting skills come in, right? It's similar to keeping an eye on the coffee machines, ensuring everything is working perfectly or quickly fixing any glitches that might arise. Identifying bottlenecks and implementing solutions is part and parcel in any SSO setup, just like maintaining that perfect cafe environment during rush hours. Of course, this journey doesn't end with just setting up your SSO infrastructure. It's ongoing, from continuous monitoring to auditing authentication incidents, like how we keep track of our coffee bean stock and equipment health. It helps us respond swiftly to any issues, just like how we would if a coffee maker starts to act up. Lastly, for any enterprise, especially one as dynamic as a cafe, adopting best practices is essential. Regularly updating recipes, training staff, and keeping the ambience inviting. Similarly, best practices in SSO integration involve staying on top of compliance standards, keeping user experiences intact, and providing excellent support, ensuring a secure, streamlined access system. Now, after brewing through this example, I'm excited to hear your take. Like a friendly chat after a successful coffee session, any more questions on SSO or our Azure Cafe analogy? And when you are ready, Remember to visit neeraj.qzz.io and subscribe to TechLab for more insights into the wonders of tech like this.